Kitten peed on the carpet. We're over there. We're gonna get scolded by Mom. I have an idea. I got tissues. Kitty, come wipe your pee with this. This tissue smells nice. Must be fun. He knocked over your tissues. Remember to pee in the litter box. Is this a hat? I can't see anything now. Kitty, stop. You broke Dad's vase. I can't see. Why's the floor so slippery? Maybe we should get the cat a diaper. Oh no, I don't want a diaper. Get down from the curtains now. Your claws tore the curtain. Grab it. Can't catch me? I'm jumping on the cabinet. Honey, how do you raise kittens? It's wrecked everything. Let's give it away. Don't give away my kitty. What now? And let's clean up. Wow, it's so tidy. Did the kids do this? Let's keep the cat. You can care for it.